Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two dash cams that will capture every moment on the road.
On the left, we have the sleek and discreet Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and on the right, the powerful REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam Hardwire kit.
Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one deserves a spot in your car.
Buckle up! Alright, let's start with the price. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes in at $129, while the REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam Hardwire kit is a steal at just $25.
Now, I'm not saying the Garmin isn't worth it, but for those budget-conscious buyers, the REDTIGER might be the perfect fit.
You can practically buy 5 REDTIGER dash cams for the price of one Garmin.
That's a whole lot of dash cam action. Moving on to size and design, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 takes the lead here. It's as small as a car key and can easily hide behind your rear-view mirror. You won't even notice it's there. On the other hand, the REDTIGER F7N Hardwire kit is a bit larger, but still compact.
It's like comparing a tiny Ninja to a slightly bigger Ninja. Both are stealthy, but the Garmin wins in terms of discreetness. When it comes to video quality, both dash cams deliver impressive results. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 boasts a wide 140-degree lens and records in 1080p with Garmin Clarity HDR optics. Day or night, you'll get crystal clear footage. The REDTIGER F7N Hardwire kit also offers excellent video quality, but it falls slightly behind the Garmin in terms of clarity. So if you're a stickler for sharp details, the Garmin takes the cake.
Now let's talk about those extra features that make a dash cam shine. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes with voice control, allowing you to save videos, take still pictures, and more with just your voice. It's like having your own personal dash cam assistant. And if you're worried about parking lot mishaps, the Garmin's Parking Guard feature has your back.
It monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if something fishy is going on.
On the other hand, the REDTIGER F7N Hardwire kit may not have voice control, but it offers something equally impressive. With its 24-hour surveillance capability, this dash cam will keep recording even when your car is turned off. It's like having a personal security guard for your vehicle.
Plus, it has multiple security protections, so you can sleep peacefully knowing your dash cam won't cause any trouble.
Last but not least, let's talk about warranties. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes with a standard warranty, but the REDTIGER F7N Hardwire kit takes it up a notch with a 1-year free replacement warranty for quality problems. So if you're someone who likes that extra peace of mind, the REDTIGER has got you covered.
The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the REDTIGER F7N Hardwire kit battled it out, and each has its own strengths. If you're looking for top-notch video quality and a discreet design, the Garmin is your go-to.
But if you're on a budget and want impressive features like 24-hour surveillance, the REDTIGER is a fantastic choice.
And there you have it, folks. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the REDTIGER F7N Hardwire kit battled it out, and each has its own strengths. If you're looking for top-notch video quality and a discreet design, the Garmin is your go-to.
But if you're on a budget and want impressive features like 24-hour surveillance, the REDTIGER is a fantastic choice.
Remember, it all depends on your needs and preferences. We hope this comparison helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest comparisons. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and drive safe.